Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I have recently changed the name of my channel to Our Racer 99. You can subscribe and like before I start the video. It will help me make more videos. So here we go. So आज हमारे पास है मोटुल का chain lube और मोटुल का chain clean. So as you know that I own multiple motorbikes, mid-level bikes as well as road bikes. So we have to make the bikes maintained, otherwise they will give you a toll on your pocket. So let's get started. Let's clean the chain. So we'll start with the KTM. This is a 2018 model, and as you can see, I have kept it maintained even after almost 7.5 years. So let's start with the chain lube. I'll put the chain cleaner aside. So it's difficult without the middle stand, or you need the paddock stand. That will make your life easier. So I'll just shake the can and put some chain cleaner on it. Chain. Okay. So I'll start with this. As you can see, this is very rusty, although it's a newly installed chain, and this is very rusty as I have not cleansed it and lubed it in a long time. Let's get started. And there is no one with me who can rotate this bike, so I will just move the bike. Okay, let's continue this. It's difficult to lube it from the other side, so I have to go to the other side and lube the other part. Bit rusty. Okay, I'm going to start cleaning the Street Triple RS now. Let's do the chain. It's a bit easier than KTM Duke 390 because the chain is a bit covered. But this one is easier to lube, I think, because chain is pretty much exposed, but it grabs a lot of dirt. That is a con on this motorcycle.